Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Have you subscribed yet? If not, I don't understand why not, because you know these nails are about to be fire. So today we're going to test out this Landfo dip powder kit from Amazon. It was about $12. You can see that this comes with a base coat, an activator, a top coat, your brush saver, which I needed later on, a nail file, which I didn't actually use, and it comes with 12 beautiful colors, and I have done swatches of each color. Okay, so in the design, we use the DP5647, which is the blue, and the R3842, which is the blue and silver glitter, and I already had the peel off base coat on my jelly tips. An extra thing that you're going to need that doesn't come in the kit is a stiff brush to brush off the excess powder that didn't stick to the base coat. Okay, so first you're going to go in with the base coat, which is step one, which is self-explanatory. I thought I was recording the first time I did the first go around, but apparently I wasn't. So you're going to need at least 2 full coats to get full opacity on these colors. They are really pretty though. And so what you're going to do is you're going to brush it on like you're polishing your nails, and then you're going to dip your wet nail into that dip powder, and then you're going to tap off the excess. I usually leave the powder on the nail just so it can soak up even more of that base coat, and then I just move on, do all 5 of my nails, well in this case 4, and then come back and brush off what's left around my cuticles, my side walls, and the extra powder that's sitting on top of the nail. Okay, so here is when we're going to go in with that brush that came in the kit, and I personally like to brush the extra powder back into the pot. I mean, I'm not wasting powder, and yet again, I'm the only one who ever uses these products. And the reason why I said the extra 4 nails is because my pointer nail is going to be a different color, and now I'm going in with that stiff brush so I can really get all up in that nitty gritty and get all the excess powder out from underneath my nails, from the side walls, from everywhere, so that way my activator, it won't cure what I don't want it to cure. Alright, and here we're going in with that R3842 color, which is that blue and silver glitter. I feel like it is just blue and silver glitter that's in like a clear dip powder, and so I did need 2 full coats of that. Alright, and in between each dip, you do want to use that fluffy brush and the dense brush to get off the excess powder, so that way your nail won't be all bulky and stuff. And I went in with my orangewood cuticle stick to just remove the excess that was on my sidewall that I didn't want to be there. And being as though I have on a peel off base coat, I didn't want that to make my manicure pull off well, peel off a whole lot quicker than I wanted it to. Okay, you're going to go in with step 2, which is your activator, to activate that dip powder. And you want to do this once you get your nail to the thickness and the fullest opacity that you want it to be. And you're going to just slather that bad boy all up there. You're just going to just put it everywhere because you want it to be able to penetrate through all those layers of dip powder that you've done. Alright, so I went in and file shaped and buffed my nails off camera because I tried to do that on camera and it wasn't working. And then you're going to go back in with your activator because since you file shaped and buffed, you've exposed your nails to maybe a layer of dip powder that you didn't cure the first time. So that's why you want to go back in a second time and put more activator all over those nails. Just get it everywhere. Alright, because I want to be extra, I'm going to go in with some isopropyl alcohol to clean off the activator, and then I'm going in with my Makartt nail art foil glue to add a nail foil on. If you want to, you can just add your top coat and be done, but I mean, I gotta be extra. And the first time I did it, I accidentally tried to stick the wrong side, so that didn't work. So that's why you see a design already up there. All right, now we're gonna go in with step 3, which is the last step, and we're gonna go in with that aforementioned top coat. And I'm going to put this top coat on all 4 of my nails except for the one that I put the nail foil on. Since the nail foil was a gel nail glue, I'm gonna put a gel top coat on that one. And learn from my mistakes. Don't be like me. You know, I gotta have a teaching moment in all my videos. If you do use this kit, please make sure you thoroughly wipe off that top coat brush on like a paper towel, because you'll see on my thumb my top coat brush wound up messing up, and I had to put that one in my brush saver and use the brush that was in the brush saver. And yeah, like I said, learn from my mistakes. Don't be like me. Do as I say, not as I do. Alright, so I'm going to go in with 2 layers of that top coat just to be on the safe side. Because like I said, I do have on a peel off base coat and I don't want my manicure to come off faster than it needs to. And like I always say, cap those free edges. I know I didn't have to do it in my last video, but you better cap those free edges. And yeah, my brush is messing up again. Alright, and like I mentioned before, we're going to do a gel top coat on that nail with the nail art foil. And I'm going to use my Lavender Violets gel top coat. And yet again, cap those edges. And then I'm going to put that in my LED UV light for 60 seconds. And today we're going to use some cuticle oil. I got this from Adoria's, I believe. And since the bottle was huge, I just put it in like a little dropper bottle. And y'all going to see me make a huge mess. And yes, bring those nails back to life, boo. Alright, so here's what the manicure is looking like once the cuticle oil is on. And here is the manicure with a pose. Alright, you guys, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and join the family. Until next time, see y'all later. Bye.